How to use Credit Karma debit card. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can use your Credit Karma debit card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to use or activate your Credit Karma debit card, all you have to do is first of all just open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you simply want to come to this official link, which I'll make sure to drop a link below, which is creditkarma.com. so just go ahead and type in creditkarma.com here. Then you want to simply type in / and then just type in activate. So basically what you want to do is type in creditkarma.com/activate. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box, so you might as well want to check that out. Once you go to creditkarma.com/activate, you're going to land on this page where it says activate your Credit Karma money spend Visa debit card. So all you have to do is just tap the activate card button that you see here. Once you tap the activate card button, it's going to ask you to simply log into your Credit Karma account. So make sure to log into your Credit Karma account. After you've done that, it will take you to the page where you can enter your card details, and then you should be able to successfully activate your Credit Karma card. And that's it on how you can use a Credit Karma debit card. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.